In today's video, we're going to be making a tier list of fictional lawyers. This is part of Spamuary, where we're going to be posting a video every single day. I'm joined by my friends, Mason and Connor.
We're doing a list of fiction, like animated and TV show lawyers?
Yes.
Like the video Legal Eagle did?
Legal Eagle did this video? All right, he's being added to the list. All right, let's get started. First lawyer, Atticus Finch from To Kill a Mockingbird. This one's pretty easy. Atticus Finch is every bit of an A lawyer, and we're going, of course, with Atticus Finch To Kill a Mockingbird, and we're excluding the weird sequel that was released like 70 years later, which apparently Atticus Finch was racist in, right?
Really?
Yeah. You didn't hear about that?
I don't think I read either book, honestly.
Really?
I know you're supposed to at some point.
Well, look, here's why.
Is this the one with Lenny?
Here's why Atticus Finch.
That's Bison Man.
I didn't get that joke. Lenny.
I didn't know.
That's of Mice and Men. He mixed up the character.
I'm seeing Lenny from... I thought Lenny was in that one because it's like a required reading. I think both these are required readings.
It's the same universe, I think.
And he said it's from another book that is, I guess, of Mice and Men.
Yeah, he said, "Where's?"
I don't know if I know of Mice and Men.
Oh no,
Lenny and what's the other one?
Lenny and George.
Lenny and George. That's it.
Lenny's the guy. He's kind of like.
And I got you, George. That's what that gives a hoot in hell about us.
He's special needs, but very strong, and he pets things too hard. And
Aren't
kills
they all?
people. He's got kind of this linebacker energy, and then at the end, George is like, "Lenny, look over there," and then he just shoots him in the head. At the end.
Oh man.
Oh, I thought that'd go better.
So there's so
This is off to a great start. Here's why Atticus Finch embodies a great lawyer, is because he takes on a case where the odds are stacked against him. And if that doesn't make you want to be a lawyer, like all these lawyers who take on easy cases, nothing makes me more upset than a lawyer who says that they're quote unquote undefeated. If you're an undefeated lawyer, it means you take on easy cases. Great lawyers take on cases that they have no hope of winning and do the best for their client. And that's why Atticus Finch is definitely A tier. Next lawyer is Saul Goodman from Better Call Saul. And I'm about to get a lot of hate for this. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen Better Call Saul. I know he's like a scummy lawyer. And the reason why I haven't seen Better Call Saul is because it stems from Breaking Bad, right?
You haven't seen Breaking Bad?
I never got into Breaking Bad. Let me tell you why.
Oh.
When I was in college,
I know why.
the one episode of Breaking Bad that I saw was the finale. I went over to my friend's house, and they were having a watch party, and I just wanted to be with my friends. So I went and watched the very last episode of Breaking Bad, so I know how it ends. So I never watched the show. So I never watched Better Call Saul. I know there's a bunch of jokes from it. I've reacted to a video of a courtroom scene of his in the past, but don't know enough to pass judgment.
Tom also can't watch TV shows that stress him out too much.
Yeah, I don't like watching stressful shows.
This is
true.
This is who you want representing you in a
My
big
life
PI
is stressful,
case.
dude. My job is stressful. Why do I want to be stressed out all the time during work and then go home and also be stressed out watching TV?
So what do you watch? Like SpongeBob and cartoons and stuff?
Whatever Rachel puts on his iPad.
The next one is Ally McBeal. Again, I don't know. And you're getting I don't watch a lot of pop culture stuff. Anybody, any comments on Ally McBeal?
Yeah, I do. She was a young attorney who joined a prestigious law
Eyes
firm
up at the camera.
with a highly sexual environment, which
That's stressful.
I'm struggling reading right now. I'm gonna be honest, but
right.
it looks like she was a good lady, and she was on.
She worked with her ex-boyfriend.
Do you know Ally McBeal? Or you're just reading this?
I just read the same article that he did 30 minutes before.
We don't know Ally
he did.
McBeal.
She looks like a little kid.
The next one, moving on, Vincent, a.k.a. Vinny Gambini, a.k.a. the greatest fictional lawyer of all time, S tier should just be called Vinny tier. If you guys haven't seen My Cousin Vinny, it is the best legal movie of all time. It's very accurate. It's a great story. If that doesn't make you want to be a lawyer, then you're just not cut out to be a lawyer. It's a great movie.
And then when he was disbarred, he tried to team up with that guy and rob a kid's house, right? During the holidays.
Hiya, pal. We outsmarted you this time. Get over here.
It's a fall from grace, okay? Elle Woods from Legally Blonde. Elle Woods did go to Harvard.
That's good.
She got a great score on her LSAT. She did, in her very first year of law school, successfully get someone acquitted who's being charged with murder. That's pretty impressive.
That's not common.
I'm going A tier. I'm going Elle Woods A tier. She clearly has drive and determination. She's good when she puts her mind to. She's good at whatever she puts her mind to, right? She was great at fashion, and then she decided to become a good lawyer, right? That's cool. You want to be relatable.
So I think
Arthur Kirkland from Injustice for All. Again, we're starting out strong. Don't know this guy. Anybody?
no,
All right, if you're gonna Google, we're just gonna put him in the I don't know. Next, Lionel Hutz. We know Lionel Hutz from The Simpsons, the famous lawyer.
That looks like,
He's a big goofball.
yes.
He's gonna fluctuate between C and B. I just don't know which one. Any comments?
He reminds me of Saul. Just his demeanor, his dumb smile, weird suit. I feel like Saul did a good job. I know you don't know Saul, but he was good at his job.
Can we watch like a Lionel Hutz clip?
he was a personal injury ambulance chaser, so those guys don't really have a ton of integrity. All they care about is money, really. They make it seem like they care about the little guy, but they don't really care about the little guy. So I think we put him in F, C or F.
I'm putting him in B just for that. Next, we have Phoenix Wright.
Phoenix Wright?
Yeah, Phoenix Wright, the ace attorney. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, that pulled up something else for
I
me.
played the Phoenix Wright games on live stream during the pandemic, or one of the games. I didn't really have fun. It's a lot of just like, I'm just not into like the whole story booking type thing.
Are you a gamer?
No, not really. But during the pandemic, when everything was closed down, I played a little bit of Call of Duty, played a little bit of Phoenix Wright.
This looks violent. And
No, it's not. There's a talking parrot in it. It's pretty interesting.
like Aladdin.
Phoenix Wright's going to get a C. That's might make a lot of people mad. I don't know. I just, not into it.
Objection!
Next, we have Matt Murdock from Daredevil. Again, don't know. I haven't watched Daredevil. I know he's a blind guy who's also a lawyer. Not the best blind lawyer in television. That's definitely the blind lawyer from Arrested Development.
In fact, Maggie wasn't blind, but had been pretending to be
Son of a bitch.
since she found it helpful in taking the LSATs.
Next one, Jennifer Walters from She-Hulk. Again, I don't know. I didn't watch this. I do know that the one court scene we reacted to from She-Hulk like a year ago was terrible. It was terrible, but it wasn't terrible because of her. It was terrible because of the defense lawyer. I don't know. Not too bullish on it. Moving on. The next one is we have Matthew McConaughey playing Jake Brigance from A Time to Kill.
You ought to ditch the geeks in the car with now and get in with us.
Yeah, definitely a young Matthew McConaughey.
Wow, he was 27. I'm 27. He's my age.
Crazy hot.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great, it's a famous, movie scene. His closing argument, asks the jury to close their eyes, and then he drops the bomb on them at the end.
He goes to the number one category, and the number one category is Jake category, not Vinny.
No, he's not in Vinny tier, dude. No one's in Vinny tier. Okay. Next lawyer is Jackie Childs from Seinfeld, plaintiff's lawyer. I have a lot of respect for Jackie. Definitely empathize with him. He takes on Kramer's case. He's got it all teed up. They're gonna make money, and his dumb client Kramer basically just torpedoes the whole thing, which I can totally empathize with. Because sometimes clients y'all are your own worst enemies. Let the lawyer who has his professional opinion on how things work. You take his or her recommendation.
He's created a parody of Johnny Cochran.
Johnny Cochran's if the glove don't fit, you must acquit.
That's who he's as described on Google, a bespectacled, mustachioed, well-dressed African-American lawyer with the same initials and penchant for grandiose vocabulary.
Dude, I hope I get to become a famous enough lawyer where people make memes of me on a show. Next one, Lieutenant Daniel Caffey from A Few Good Men, Tom Cruise. Yeah, I don't know. This one, he's definitely, I don't think he's A tier. Like, let's be real. He really didn't do that good of a job. Just the colonel or general or whoever it was, they imploded. Like, they could have gotten away with it.
Now, this is unbelievable. And I know you're trying to get clicks right now. But if this doesn't go in Vinny category, I'm putting in my 2 weeks
Are
notice.
you serious?
It's my favorite movie. One of my favorite movies of all time. Another one of my favorites is next, actually. Here's the thing, man. I know this is like fun for you, but this is no longer fun. Dan Cathy is an American hero. He freed the two guys.
I understand. He freed the two guys, great, but his lawyering. I mean, was it really his lawyering, or did this colonel or general or whoever, like, they imploded, dude?
No.
Like, they could have just kept his mouth shut.
What kind of danger? Grave danger. You said, is there any other kind? I can have the court repeat.
I'm impressed, okay? I mean, I can't go Vinny tier. Will you settle for A tier?
I can't believe Vinny's number one, but yes, I will settle for A tier.
Oh, my gosh. Wow, that was an advocacy.
Yeah. Tom Cruise, 30 years old right there.
Crazy hot, dude. Short, but hot. So you and him have something in common.
God,
Not the hot part, but...
Next one, Harvey Dent from Batman.
We talking pre or post Rachel?
I mean, it looks like, look at his face there.
That's post
I mean,
Rachel.
did he continue practicing law after he became Two-Face or whatever his name is?
He became more of the judge and a lawyer.
Didn't he like flip the coin, right? He was like flip the coin. I mean, that's not very skillful. Like, if you're just going to flip a coin...
I mean, he
to
caught
determine
it.
the outcome, that's an F. Next, we have Paul Johnstone from Shadowhawk. I've literally never heard of this in my life.
What
like, not
is
even,
that?
I don't know it. I've never heard of it.
Is that a Yu-Gi-Oh card?
Next. This is just Dirk's search history now.
Yikes.
Alan Shore from Boston Legal. Again, I don't know. I don't know. I haven't watched Boston Legal.
Let's just call this video Attorneys Tom Doesn't Know.
Leighton T. Montgomery from the B Movie.
What the?
I really do. I don't think I've seen. I've seen.
F category. F category. Yeah, dude. He was trying to screw the bees over.
All right, F category. I don't think I've seen the B Movie start to finish. I know I've seen the scene though. I've seen the court scene. I don't understand the case
Court
though.
scene?
Like, how can you sue bees? I don't know. Maybe I should watch the movie.
It's
I'm not.
personification is a big part of that whole movie.
What kind of car does a bee drive? Mitsubishi.
So I'm a little confused here. My list says this person's name is Jack McCoy from Law and Order, but I think this is Perry Mason.
Yeah, it's
It literally says Perry Mason behind him.
What made you think that?
So who is this, Tom? Or are you just gonna drop him in the don't know pile?
No, this is Perry Mason. We're familiar with Perry Mason. It's like the first big, really the first like TV lawyer. You know, he's old. The game's passed him by. Practicing law is a lot different. You know, barring some strong advocacy from Mason or Connor, I think he's gonna go C tier. He's gonna go C tier. Actually, no, he's gonna go B tier for one reason only. The Alex Jones clip of Alex Jones getting destroyed.
I told you the truth. This is your Perry Mason moment. I gave them my phone.
That's pretty epic. He's going B tier just for that. He lives on in infamy. His name lives on in infamy.
He's the real actor's Canadian, so could you move him down to
he's Canadian.
C or F
C
tier?
for
Yeah,
Canada.
there you go.
Down to C tier, yeah. Harvey Birdman, attorney at law. Yes. I've seen this show a couple times, like Adult Swim, so I can't put in the don't know. Like, there's one episode where he's like suing the Flintstones.
Mrs. Flintstone, would you say your husband gets hit on the head a lot?
Define a lot.
A lot. A great deal.
Nah. Perry Mason is in C tier, then Birdman's in C tier too. Okay, Bob Blah is epic. Dude, epic. One of the best fictional lawyers that we don't get enough of. His commercial, why should you go to jail for a crime somebody else noticed? Close the book. Why should you? It's a great Blah, obviously A tier. Easily A tier.
That's Bob Blah Blah?
Yeah.
The guy with the gray hair?
Well, according to my list, and Dirk, is that blah, blah, blah?
No, they're out of order up here.
Blah, blah, blah.
Could be the guy.
Oh, I see blah, blah, blah. He's got his famous
Blah, blah, blah.
blah, blah, blah. Yeah, he's like turning the...
I hate my life.
Mason has no idea who this is. Blah, blah, blah is,
Who is this then?
It's John
That's-
Cincinnati.
I don't know who this is. Who is this guy? I'm just putting him here because I don't know who he is. All right, the next one. Oh, dude. Key Rock.
Wait, you can't.
Where are you going? Dude, you cannot pee during Key Rock. Unfrozen Caveman Lawyer might be S tier. Might be Vinny tier. This is the ultimate lawyer.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'm just a caveman.
Dude, him and Vinny on a trial team together, that's an unstoppable. That's
Great.
unstoppable.
Great hair.
Do you guys know the story of Key Rock?
No.
Literally a caveman frozen in an iceberg.
Yep.
You added 5 more names to this list.
No, I'm just pissed that Dan Cathy's in A category. This is such a YouTube list, dude.
Mason.
Wow, dude.
I know. I don't
Get
like to
over it,
swear.
Tom Cruise.
I don't
dude.
like to swear, but Tom is making me swear.
All right, next we have Barry Zuckerkorn from Arrested Development, the family lawyer.
He's kind of a lovable goof.
He's definitely a lovable goof.
I think a solid B. I think he's a solid B.
Yeah, I mean, look, he's definitely like, if Lionel Hutz is in B,
Yeah, he's
Barry
not. He
Zuckerkorn.
can't be A.
All right, here we go next. Next, we have Jeff Winger from Community.
He's a lawyer?
Yeah, he's a disbarred lawyer.
Oh.
Disbarred lawyer going to community college to get his license back. He seems like a pretty competent lawyer. The show makes him like, I don't know. He's probably a C. Let's not kid ourselves. All right, next we have Charlie from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. We have the Bird Law. Charlie is actually a pretty competent. Like, he actually knows a lot about birds, weirdly, which is good. You got to be a subject matter expert in your niche, and he knows bird law.
He's a bird lawyer?
I mean, I don't know. If Bob Blah Blah is an A,
that's going to really piss him off.
Is that going to make you mad, Mason?
What?
If Charlie is in the same category as
No,
Tom
I mean,
Cruise?
to be honest, I haven't been paying attention. I've been watching Legal Eagles video. It's much better than this one.
Wow.
That's not a lie either. He's on there. Oh, good. His take on the unfrozen caveman lawyer.
Legal Eagles hairline too. Golly.
You want to talk about hairline, dude?
Tom, not in front of my friends, please.
Look at this, Devin. Look at this.
Woo!
All right, moving on.
Oh.
All right, next we have Harvey from Suits. Well, I'm not going to lie. I've seen like only 2 or 3 episodes of Suits.
Yeah, because let me guess, it stresses you out too much.
Stressed me out.
What does?
Okay, I saw one episode, and this goes back to the coin flip thing. Okay, the one episode of Suits I saw, they meet with opposing counsel, and they literally decide to play poker, and the winner of poker, decides the case.
Yeah, dude, he makes his own luck. I don't get you.
That literally would get you disbarred so quick.
Yeah, but he's Harvey Specter. He's so freaking cool.
What's cool about it?
I don't know. He drinks Macallan straight in every episode, but he does not appear to be an alcoholic. Fantastic skin.
Amateur boxer. Pretty good.
Amateur boxer. I don't know, man. Went to Harvard. That's cool. Has a penthouse. Does pretty well with the ladies.
I feel like he's slept with every woman at some point. And there's a notable list of very attractive
All right, so
women.
I plead the fifth. I can't put him in Don't Know because I've seen a few episodes. Where am I placing this guy?
He's A category.
A?
Yeah, as an apple.
Okay. Next we have his protege Mike.
And then you have to add a level above Vinny for this one. And I'm not joking. I'll leave this freaking room right now. Do not test me. This isn't a joking matter.
A category above Vinny for a guy who's, I know he's not a real lawyer.
Photographic
he's a fake lawyer.
Photographic memory. This is about.
Then if he's so smart, why couldn't he just go to law school?
Oh my gosh! Because
he
memorized the test in undergrad and he got kicked out of school because he gave.
All right,
Tom, Tom?
He can't be in Vinny tier. He's not actually a lawyer.
Tom, it's 11 a.m. Don't piss me off.
I have a hard time justifying. You want me to put him?
You should have just feigned ignorance, Tom, and put him in don't know. You would have been in the clear.
It's 11:02 a.m. Do not make me angry.
2024, Tom.
I can't put him in Vinny tier.
Tom, it's 11:04 a.m. Don't piss me off, man.
I want you to go Vinny tier between Vinny and Caveman. Okay?
I'll settle. I'll put him in Vinny tier, but he's not going in between Key Rock and Vinny.
I'll take it.
He's not even a lawyer, and he's in that Vinny tier, dude.
Yeah, well, this next guy's an
We have
astronaut,
Johnny Sins.
a physicist.
What isn't he?
He's him. Okay. He needs hymns. Look at that head.
Where's Johnny going?
Well, it can't go to the I don't know category for you.
Go to the don't know. Everybody knows Johnny Sins, dude.
I don't know who he is. Well, what kind of law does he practice?
He lays down the law, dude.
Yeah, he works great with the opposing counsel, and I'd like to see him with the next attorney, honestly.
Yeah, see, I mean...
I'll see him later, so maybe...
Okay,
That's pretty
moving
good.
on. I don't... Oh, it's Meghan Merkel.
Rachel Zane.
We're talking about Suits.
Show some respect. Rachel Zane.
Okay,
So,
again, I don't think I've ever seen an episode where she was like an actual character. Like, I know she's a partner. She's like the owner of the firm, right?
No, she's not.
They look similar.
That's
Yeah.
Jessica.
All right.
Jessica knows
So
everything.
here's the thing. She actually, I think through season 7, never is a lawyer. She's a paralegal. So she needs to be in the F category.
Are you kidding me? You just made a guy S tier for not being a lawyer. And now you want to put her in F tier for not being a lawyer?
Don't call Mike Ross a guy. That's a demigod. Okay. He's a great man. And he's a great lawyer.
Okay, well, the rule, I mean, we have Johnny Sins in C. We have Mike in Vinny tier. And you're going to tell me that because she was a paralegal for like 7 seasons? Dude, paralegals practice more law than like actual lawyers.
I just don't know, man. I never really, and then she had that whole thing with Prince Andrew where they kind of went on their family. I know that's in real life.
You mean Harry?
Whatever it is. I hate that whole thing
Prince
over there.
Andrew, oh, he should be.
I'm so glad we won the Revolutionary War. They suck so bad, dude. I hate Britain.
I know exactly who this next person is. Attorney Wu. She goes straight to the F tier. Yeah, dude, let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. I have a big problem with Attorney Wu. Before Attorney Wu, when you went to YouTube and you typed in the word attorney, Attorney Tom was the very first thing. Now every time I go to YouTube and type in my name, which I do a lot because I'm self-conscious, Attorney Wu pops up. Straight to F. I don't care how good of a lawyer she is. F. Legal Eagle. Devin. Where am I putting you in the fictional lawyer tier list? Ooh. Do we even know he's a real lawyer? We don't know.
Is Legal Eagle legit on Reddit? He's aight. Let him be your gateway to opening arguments too.
He aight?
He's all right. It was more enjoyable when I was in law school. Now that I practice, I don't really enjoy it.
Yeah, hear that, Devin? Somebody on Reddit just destroyed you.
So Vinny tier or...
Don't believe what other people are saying about him. He 100% cannot be trusted.
He's a Phi Beta Kappa.
My uncle is one of the most respected ornithologists in west of the Mississippi and has confirmed to me that Attorney Stone is no eagle.
Yeah, you're not an eagle, Devin.
Oh,
I
wow.
know. Look, I'm trying to be fair. I'm trying to be nice. Like, is he better than Wu?
Wow.
Is he better than Montgomery?
Is he
better than Harvey Dent, who murdered a bunch of people?
Is he better than you?
Well, I'm a real lawyer, so I'm not on the fictional lawyer list.
Oh, shoot. Well, fictional lawyer, Legal Eagle at UCLA, captain of the UCLA mock trial team.
All right,
During his time there, back-to-back national championships.
He's climbing the ranks?
Voted best abs at UCLA mock trial.
Oh, he's climbing the ranks.
As a freshman.
All right. Unless I hear any more accolades of Legal Eagle, he's solid.
I think he's a B. Looks like, fantastic beard. The ears.
Look, this is just rumors, okay? I don't have personal knowledge of this. I don't know. I heard legal. I heard he's not very good at tennis.
You've played golf with him.
I did play golf with legal.
How was it?
He was great. He's very nice. He's actually a great guy. Look, I was trying to set that up because I think Devin's actually good at tennis. I think he would get annoyed. Where's the E going?
I think he goes in B.
That's fair.
He's a nice guy.
All right, you're in B, Devin. I'm sorry. Until you can send me a photograph of your law license, I don't know. You know, Georgetown is known for not having the best background checks. Like and subscribe.
LNS.
Like and subscribe.
All right, that's it for today's video.
I've been very much considering beating you up.
Yeah, me too.